Volvo Trucks is now introducing new software and hardware updates for improved fuel efficiency in its D13 range for Euro 3 to 5 markets. The result is fuel savings of up to 3% in long-haul applications. The software additions are designed to support the driver to operate their vehicle more fuel efficiently. The new feature Volvo Torque Assist works by adapting the truck's acceleration and torque according to road topography, the truck's load and speed. It's designed to minimize fuel consumption when the cruise control's disabled by cutting any unnecessary torque. When driving uphill, the truck is provided with full torque when needed. Volvo Torque Assist also ensures a consistent injection of fuel when the engine is operating at high RPMs. While slightly compromising performance, this is more than compensated for by improved fuel economy. Many of the hardware upgrades introduced with Volvo Trucks Euro 6 Step D 13-litre engines have now been extended to the Euro 3 to 5 versions. This includes a new improved turbocharger, new cylinder liners and V-shaped oil scraper rings to reduce engine friction, as well as a new engine control unit with an updated management system. The biggest beneficiaries of these changes are operators who transport heavy loads on hilly terrain and with large speed variations. The updates are available for Euro 3, Euro 4, Euro 5 and EEV markets.